Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Tag Manager to manage affiliate tracking tags step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Google Tag Manager website. Sign in with your Google account. Click on the Create Account button. Enter your account name and select your country. Click Continue to move to the next step. Now, name your container to reflect your website. Choose Web as the target platform for your container. Click Create to proceed. Read and accept the terms of service. You will now see the Google Tag Manager installation code. Copy the first code snippet provided. Paste this code into the head section of your website's HTML. Next, copy the second code snippet. Paste the second snippet immediately after the opening body tag. Now, return to the Google Tag Manager interface. Click on Add a new tag. Select Tag Configuration to choose the type of tag you want to create. For affiliate tracking, choose Google Analytics, Universal Analytics, or the system that you require. Set the track type to Event. Configure your event parameters such as category, action, and label. Next, set up the triggering conditions for your tag. Click on Triggering and choose All Pages if you want the tag to fire on every page. You may also create a new trigger based on specific criteria for your affiliate links. Once your tag and trigger are configured, click Save. To ensure everything is set up correctly, click Submit. Add a version name and description for your changes. Then click Publish to make your tags live. You can now test your tags using the preview mode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.